Hi everyone. So my name is Emily Dula and I'm a marketing specialist at Bridge Cable. Marketing is really just trying to showcase who you are as a brand, whether that's obviously like for Bridge Cable, our services, what we do, who we are, and really trying to get out what we do so that we can attract customers and they can start a project with us. Originally, I wanted to get into marketing. I realized that no matter what the brand is or the company, they're going to need marketing. They have to help push out who they are as a company. So once I started taking more classes in college and things like that and learning more about, email marketing, everything like newsletters, just through PR, like all the different layers of marketing, that's what really drew me in. In an alternate timeline, I think I would be a professional dancer. I'm not kidding. I know I grew up dancing and then I wanted to continue in college, but I went to Drexel and the team there was like incredible. So I wanted like a club team, like fun, but no, it was very advanced. So that's when I kind of stopped dancing. But yeah, I would have loved to get paid to dance. That's fun. It's a fun job. Marketing is how you sell the product. I think it's always helped me kind of differentiate, like within a business, what's the difference between marketing, sales, how are all these things connected? So I think once you realize that, it may make everything a little bit easier when we're getting more into depth about the different types of marketing. I think the most difficult thing, you might get really comfortable, like at Bridge, really comfortable getting to know certain telecom magazines or things like that. But then once you're working with a different brand, it's a whole other industry or bubble. So it's the fact that you really kind of have to become knowledgeable in the industry that you're working in, which I think is really exciting. It's like just getting to learn something new every day. But definitely for some people, I can see how it's kind of like taking on a new challenge every single day because you're constantly like learning. One of my main roles at Bridge Cable is going onto site and taking pictures and videos of the technicians doing their job, whether it's installing a camera or doing door access. And when you're in these types of environments, no matter what they are, everything from corporate settings to healthcare, PPE is huge. It's crucial that everyone is wearing the appropriate things, whether it's a mask, headgear, steel toe, shoes. Obviously, it's a safety requirement. We want to keep everyone safe, but I'm showcasing who we are as a company. I can show that all of our techs are prepared on site, basically. I have a little zoo at home. I have a leopard gecko, a cockatoo, and 2 birds. Oh, no, a bird and 2 dogs. Just kidding. So when I'm at home or in my spare time, I love to spend time with all of my animals, my pets, as well as travel. My sister lives abroad, so I get to visit her every once in a while, and it's been really great exploring Europe. I'm like living vicariously through her. And also, I love to read too. Any type of like true crime, mystery, or a good romance, so either or. Growing up, it was always New York City or LA. Middle of nowhere, I want to live there the rest of my life. It's remote and gorgeous. You can see all the stars at night. It's literally, so I did like a 360 from city to the woods. My favorite thing is how it's constantly evolving. With regard to social media, even 10 years ago, it existed, but it wasn't as like where it is now. I think the fact that as technology advances, how we are marketing is going to continue to change even more. Magazines and things like that might slowly fall out of publication. So I think it's just really great watching how we market brands and individuals, see that evolve over time. Oh my gosh, a lot. We use Buffer to schedule for X, Threads, Blue Sky, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. We do work on our YouTube account as well. With all of the content that we get from our techs, we use Company Cam, the best app ever for project management. We have HubSpot, which is our CRM, and that's where we do our newsletter as well. With regards to the SEO side of marketing, we utilize Moz to keep track of all of our analytics, like from our website. Those are the ones, if you go to my computer, those tabs will be open most likely. Oh, Canva.
So you can only keep one. Which are you choosing? 1, Canva. 2, birthday cake flavoring. 3, jobs that give lunch breaks. 4, Harry Styles' existence.
I can't give up 4. Wait, what was the question?
What? You can only keep 1.
I'm sorry. I don't have to eat lunch. 4. To anyone that's new in marketing or just getting started, I would say really just utilize the people in your team and mentors. Utilizing the skills and things that you're good at, but also continually taking feedback from the people around you that have that experience. I think that's the best thing. Texting. Dawn. TV shows. Winter. Chocolate all day. Pants. Pizza. Coca-Cola. 100%. Dessert. Say you're gonna cook and then order out. Jimmy Fallon. Dog. YouTube. East Coast. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.